Hi guys, in today's lab you will understand how to interface the Arduino that you've been learning with a potentiometer and an LCD screen. So in the previous lab you looked at the potentiometer with the LED. Now we'll interface it with the LCD. So as we know that one terminal of the potentiometer we will connect to VDD, one to ground, and this goes to the analog terminal A4, and you know how to connect the LCD screen, which was from from P7 through to P13. So you've already done the LCD. So this is a straightforward implementation where we will display from 0% to 100% on the LCD depending on what the potentiometer is at. So the analog interface, the values go from 0 to 1020 as it is a 10-bit ADC. So let's look at the program for displaying the percentage. It's a straightforward program here. First we declare the pins for the LCD. Then we declare the sensor pin as A4. The variable that takes the value will be sensor value. Then the setup, we do the LCD begin and the LCD clear. And then first what we do is we divide this value by 10 as we want to display a percentage. So what we would do is, so for example, if I have the number 550 and I need to see the percentage as to how many percent it is, so I can do 550 divided by 1024 into 100. So effectively what I do is I do 550 divided by 10, which is 55, and then I divide by 1.02. This is as good as taking this 100 here. So first step is divide by 10, that's step number 1. Step number 2 is divide by 1.02. So that's what we have done here, is first divide by 10 and then divide by 1.02. Then I use the set cursor function to set the cursor of the Arduino where it's the first row and the 0th column. So it's row number 2 and column number 0, that's the first column, as it starts from 0. Then I print the value and I also print the term percentage after that, the percentage, and then I give a delay. Alright, and then I wipe the extra characters from there. It's quite straightforward. So let's go ahead and look at the board. Now on the board, as you see, I have connected the center terminal of my potentiometer. So this is the potentiometer which I will rotate. So I have connected the center terminal of my potentiometer to A4, which is the analog in 4 terminal. I have connected VDD, which is this terminal, to the VDD of my LCD, which is the same. So the VDD is connected here, and then the ground is connected to the ground of my LCD. So I've just used these connections. These connections are all the same from your LCD lab. So let's go ahead and program this board and upload. So you see the board is getting programmed and the LCD is getting reset. So you will get the output in just a few seconds. So now it starts off at 0%. So let's rotate the potentiometer and see the output. As you see that as I'm rotating the potentiometer, this percentage is changing, and when I'm extremely to the left, when I have extremely to the left, which is here, one full circle, I get 100%. Let's go back, and as you see, I go right towards this, I get 0%. So now you can see how to interface an analog interface. This is an analog voltage in terms of a percentage on your LCD. So now you should be able to practice different aspects of the Arduino. You know the LCD, you know the analog, you know the LED. So practice these different concepts, and I hope that you've understood most of the concepts in this lecture. Thank you very much.